to subscribe. It's free.
You can't please everybody, but at least somebody happy. Hey, this is Public Report representing for you. And guess what? As usual, I don't know, say a family, me say, you know what I mean? And it's a pleasure knowing that everybody who check on, and you could not anywhere else, but no choose for theirs and spend some time with the whole thing. You know what I mean? Highly appreciate it. To the day one, you know what I mean, people who are there with me, you know, from them the time there, thank you for the support, thank you for always there, thank you for always share, whether by a comment, a like, you know what I mean, text message, whatever the case may be, highly appreciate, you know, all right? So this one is called The Sleepover. I don't even know if I saw me call it, but yeah, something about sleepover. We're gonna watch it right now, you know what I mean? So yeah, man, check it out. Tell me what I go on. As I always say, I'm a work in progress. So, you know, me I grow to the, you know, extent of, you know, getting to that place, right? So big up on yourself and watch the movie. Come say watch the movie. Say it. Say it. Watch the movie.
Watch a movie.
All right.
You subscribe yet?
What's up?
Mr. Galley, if you ever know what, keep me and Jody Galley. One of us so. I say we are going, you know, over there, Sab. We are not here. The whole of them are Sab, I wash you. I want some shoes gone. But this one, no?
So what no?
The one country bus?
Yeah.
Them could have touched the guy for we are. It brought down Galley? Brought down girl.
So the guy reach home.
I don't worry about that, you know, because guess what?
What?
I did want to come catch, you know. We are already done here, but we're not asking you, tell you.
Hey. Alright. Uno know me there.
Oh, the essays, so and so.
No, just come.
Just remember, you know, when back in the days, when whatever I catch up on one bed, I will piss up with one another. Right.
Please. Alright. Uno come. Your phone a ring. Alright. Uno come.
What are you?
Yeah. See there.
Okay, so, what am I going with you? He looks like you're up to something. I won't talk to you on the phone.
I'm a niece then. They say it was brought down in the south, so they have to go come over here and come sleep.
Them the rebel niece there?
No matter with it. I just for one night.
You remember them jump up in their bed the last time I broke your bed? Eh?
They go stay out here, so.
Out here, so I don't want them in the room.
Alright.
None at all.
Alright.
Stay far from the food too. You understand?
Your food?
Yes, because you remember you shape my food and put it on the table and you look a short one, them have to go like.
Should be hungry.
What means you did hungry? You have to pick up here now?
No.
So what you say then?
No. Them soon come still.
At tonight?
Yeah, tonight. Then I went in and you want me to say a while ago.
I think you said then go. You say, look more.
Where you go?
In my room. Far from there.
say?
We ain't no time now.
Me and what's up?
I'm in a bed for about 3 days now, you know.
Just happy girl, eh? Just talk about that. I think that's 3 days, 1 week. Hey, auntie girl.
Hello.
Hey.
So you have to take time for you to know where you come from. You have like a different family. You live in a big Don't touch me now.
Auntie girl, I'm hungry, auntie girl.
Hey, what is this? What's your egg counter? Level up.
Auntie, you look good, girl. You look good.
No, you should be taking it off.
I look very lovely.
Hello,
So, auntie, what's you cooking?
Where you man? Listen, me don't care what you want to say. You better stay in that room.
Alright, so what's this one?
Keep cover the point. I want to make you still lovely. We make you still lovely.
God, I think I don't understand.
No, I'm not
You
sure.
know, I was planning to stay one night, but we see the nice quality.
No, we can't stay.
All this look tea-fish.
We stand up yourself.
Auntie, cut it short. Cut it short. I'm hungry.
Listen to me now.
Wow.
I think I
Wow.
I think I don't understand because argument in the house already. And we can't take the argument.
What kind of argument?
A
You must see a man too uptight.
a
I
bungalow.
don't like that about him.
Bungalow in a donut.
Come go now. Come go.
Hey!
Auntie girl, rotten. Donut. Lots of
When I said that, I didn't stop. You want to look at them and even want to look at iPhones.
Yeah, you come to see me.
So what you think so?
The blood of Jesus against
Bangala. I got like in a donut. Alright, auntie. Get out here, so. Auntie, where man? Where?
Remember we are there with?
No, I'm sorry.
Oh, good girl.
I too hungry.
You're hungry.
I'm going to kitchen now. She's
Because I know AC.
You know what, as a matter of fact,
I dropped this one. Oh, Jesus God. I dropped your leg.
I know they come. Auntie.
Are
Are they big? Auntie. Bungalow in a box shot. In a box shot.
Hello, me serious now.
Alright.
Me serious, me done.
What's that?
I'm gonna make a man come out and run out to Wallawi.
No.
And I told him, Wallawi, my run out time, please.
I say it's tricky.
Sorry.
Well, go sit down.
You never push on.
Auntie, I'm hungry.
That's what she said.
You have money?
You live in a big house.
That not affect none of you. That's not no business.
She let the contract already.
By the way, how long will the son I got on there for? Because on one night you can't
So
stay.
now one night we go stay?
Unless me a dance. Because a 2 finger you just put up. You think me an idiot?
Uncle.
Listen, you see, as daylight, as coffee draws, you know, come out your man in.
But auntie, what coffee draws?
Anyway, silence. Go take on a bath, one by one. Me I go cook your food now. I'm making a rice, me I cook.
Hello, me better.
So, we're going now.
Steaks.
I'm going to tell you, you ever buy steaks in your life?
But
You know how much,
you
you know how much for a pound for your steaks?
steaks after cooking at this outside too.
Auntie, anything for belly, anything.
That with you.
But you're going to drink dirty water tonight because I'm not killing me a cook. If you don't want it, leave me please.
Well, and I'm going to make a major very
You know, so as daylight out, you have to live here? You have to live here.
Me can't stay.
No, you're not staying. I don't want to tell you, your body too Gigi, you come like red ants.
I have to do me that. Sure.
kind of a nice mirror one this while ago. Hmm? The neighbor the most have problem with it right now. You tell me for she. I tell me for she. Pan. You can't ship on me. What you say?
You come out here when there's happening. And I like to them about life.
I'll come bathroom one day. If no one done earlier out of bathroom, I'll come out a long time. You have to make a night, you know. So, what you mean say you know so? About
that's why I tell them to calm down. So then sit down in there.
you will tell them to calm down after my going so when they enter the house. Hmm? Me not understand that you can't have them do them so.
Hi.
Good night. Me know your name. Me know your name, yes, ma'am. Welcome.
You remember?
You remember too.
I was in class, but he's somebody trying to hear you. And I will apologize. And I will go to one down and look at what I have wrong? Oh, sorry. Oh, Jesus. Sorry.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Welcome, man. I want to let them stay. You can go right now? Hmm? So, since then, come you feel like you cook so much rice? Hmm? Then now go disrupt my budget. You're mad?
I just want.
So much rice you cook for one night. That's so much then, yeah?
Stop the public while we do. You do extra, man.
Don't make them off the bread. You hear me say?
Oh, what kind of thing? Oh, sorry, Jesus. Sorry.
Give me. Don't just about. Don't come back in the kitchen.
Tonight,
Aman.
don't make them come in my room. Don't make them feel like I'm a privilege. You hear me say?
One now.
I'm here in the room. You forget about me?
No.
How are we going on tonight? Me? Go on in your room. Me? Tonight.
It is disgusting, man. Don't hear people don't come home and
That's all you're damn good for. You not see any people that deal with it?
No.
You not care?
Girl, me not
For
nice.
that you're used to it.
What
That's
about
why
the
you used to
food?
beat you up at school and I always have to save you.
What about the food? That me talk about.
Food alone, you know, say people that you want we are. All in miserable man. I don't know what she did with them, you know. Come up, who do it?
Crazy.
That's why I do a snap when I want close from last week.
I'm not going to have to talk to you.
So you're not going to bed? You room frenzy.
You think? See me.
Be bed every day.
See how magic.
Go and go bed.
I'm watching my son. Fandangolos. What do you need? Hello. Hi, how are you in your beautiful home?
Alright. Hold on. Who you come to? I know me. So, what you do in the bathroom, go do in the bathroom. And do what you do, and then go back run so. Alright? Yeah, run so.
So.
No, wrong way up.
So.
And lock the door. Go in and go lock the door.
What an hour.
What an hour? Call your auntie.
Alright. Alright, eh?
Yeah, man, alright.
Nice.
Alright, yeah, man, nice.
Beautiful.
Marika.
Yeah?
don't. You tell us every time to don't come in that room, you know which part? The little short one come out. Come in the blinking room.
Probably by mistake.
What do you mean by mistake? She said, hi, how you doing?
So
Like
what's wrong with that?
me no want them round ya. Is that wrong with that? Me know how them stay. You know, you remember say we have to buy one this a bed for Christmas? Last year Christmas? Cause I want. And them jump and broke your bed. Who you have to jump in a small
But
bed?
then come in there, then come in there.
Then not come in a bed, come in there. But we just can't imagine because you just tormented. Why you not talk to them and tell them to stay there, sir?
Me talk to them, I beard, sugar and beard.
Beard what? Who you fi beard and want come out of the room? And you talk foolishness. Who you fi a beard and you look for room, one door to go through? Me can't bother with foolishness, you know me stay already, you know?
Here.
Here what?
Dry your face.
Me no want dry no blinking face.
Yeah, sweat.
Me sweat, me sweat.
That's all miserable, man.
Me
Everything will cuss and
Let me
complain.
say miserable. Me can't bother with foolishness because every time when you take things for joke, and me have to pay for it after in a long run. And me I pay for it.
Then the other all day now brought nothing, then sit down on them phone, one gone paid.
You see, the worst thing about this thing is that me understand what I want. You know things it's a joke business. And you feel say, boy, alright, me I take things too serious, me too miserable. When the bed went pop, what you want to say? If you been no. Not true.
Yes.
If you been no.
Yes.
So you want to say if you been no again?
No.
Make them stay out there, so.
Then let that me tell them to do.
So why she walk in her room like say me and she in the arm like a heal me?
So why if she heal her? I respect due. She go walk in one room and ask somebody and I heal them. Then if she did come in there and I heal her, then I go say, boy, you people, then I know man as this, that. Now she come in there and heal her, you still have a problem. I want Relax yourself, man. Friday night, you are miserable of yourself since then come here. Relax, man. You're there in your room for your phone. Stay in your room for your phone and then we stay out there so. When tomorrow come, them all go away.
Make sure tomorrow come fast.
You know, so if you stop it, when few people then come here, I not want son.
What?
You make me rise and burn up. You see?
Oh, yeah, put your face. I want it. You know, you lose it, you know? You lose it. That's when call me or you make me come here.
You not gonna bed? You want time to bed to come and go and lie? That's if you bed, because whatever know you come down. When you come up to country and tricky people, everybody know you're nasty. Maybe that's all me want to know. So what's your face? You could trick me.
You don't worry about that, maybe.
Unless me and you grow up together. Go on your yard, man. For them to see I got them nice, clean, white sofa.
Go on, go bed. Go on bed.
I'm gonna take talking, I just feel like me
Go on bed.
chat too much.
Bathroom girl.
You smell the pot.
Bathroom. Maybe it's bathroom.
Remember saying I'll be here.
The food ready now. I'm ready for the food.
Yes, auntie. Just give her a coach now. She can't get it. She don't want it.
You know that?
Yes. Give me for your share. She don't want none. Double it. She don't want none. She can't
You
get it.
too lie.
Auntie, not no lie.
Look at girl. You not up to lie. Eh?
12.
You're born as a liar. You grow as a liar. You're still a liar.
No, auntie. My next auntie tell me say, we cut down like that, 10 like a day, and it's alright.
So your auntie tell you?
Yes, auntie.
So when me tell you to top 10 lie?
You can't tell me that me can cook. Auntie.
Top 10 lie.
Just in a day, not kill me.
Top 10 lie.
Alright, me top 10 right. Food.
For that? You're going to wait 10 minutes.
Auntie,
Before you get the food.
You know I love young man. Don't. Please.
You do your food?
Yes.
So to if you want food?
You know, no.
I just keep my line. So guess what? 10 minutes. Come out of my kitchen. Come back right here, so. You go turn around and you go walk off. Ah! What about that? Go ahead.
How are you?
Auntie.
Want to do?
You can't miss auntie I tell me so. You not give me no food.
What?
Yes.
I don't understand. How comes that?
No, it's like auntie lose her mind.
You know, say I lie do. I see you stay for your band. You're
Don't
wicked.
do me that. Me I talk truth.
No, but I want to make you care now. My say you never care before, you know. So what? I see in your do.
Me no do nothing.
I'm good as a friend. You look, you figure you.
Ask her. Me no do nothing. Wait.
Yeah. Do it again, but me.
Wait.
Me no want nothing where kitchen reach me now.
No.
Me I go ask her. You liar, no. Auntie. Auntie. Why you tell Jody say she no forget no food?
Why? They go jumping on my chest. You don't know Jody can already.
Well, me know say something when kind of fishy, you know, but me say me ask you.
Me have her upon time out. You ready for your food?
Me? You can't give me film share. Remember, me not eat much. Me don't eat much. You know me don't eat much.
But
just give me film share. But you not go eat, you go up while. You want the food waste? And you know your man miserable already.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
You're there by your phone.
Yeah. This person just hang up. Yeah. Alright. But me can't put the dirty clothes.
Put it in your bag. Can no me
Some dirty basket.
Listen.
Alright.
As cat take off in jars.
I'm tell you something I want to see cock you know.
Through the door.
Alright.
So put the dirty clothes. Where you go? In your bag.
That. Alright.
You want my ladder bag to pack them up in now?
I have something.
Then good. You want to put it in there.
Then once you change a lot door. You never used to run me like that.
What are you doing?
Why you make your man a controller like that? You never used to run me.
You love people business?
I'm
when me
hungry, talk. No,
me
tell you enough. Me tell you God, I swear. When me hungry, I saw me talk enough. Sometimes I not even focus. Like no, me not focus. Nothing focus. Alright, we can go on now.
Come on, I'm in the kitchen.
Alright. You see where your car's dried. You too lie. You too lie, man. You make you man a cuss. Better man take a lot of bag, you know, coming out.
Listen, I don't want no nice round there.
Alright.
Good.
Better man take a lot of bag, coming
Listen,
out.
I hear you.
Alright.
Why you eat off your food? Food sweet, no, that it has that plate. You don't like it. Oh, you don't take plate, you don't come. You can't do it more. You know, you come with us disgusting. Thank you. Me not dead.
Me tell you me don't eat mackerel. A steaks me did want. Not where you get that.
Yes, auntie. I'm ready. Why bed them want to sleep on the
What is it to you?
Where's that? Miss Show me some big bed in the side.
No, you can't.
I'm visitor.
Please
guest. So you want to tell me say this a big house here with everything in there? We don't get a bed? 1 bedroom? In this big house? Curious.
Come back here, sir.
No, me I try make you know someone want that room.
Oh!
Listen, we shall sleep together.
In that room.
In that room.
We shall gather.
In together.
Gather.
Don't have money else.
Oh, no, they are there. Oh, no, they are there. Oh, no, they are revival church.
In a bedroom.
Jump on the bands right in a settee, cut and clear all crosses.
So what? You really serious? Yeah, you gotta take a joke too serious. Yeah, you need to lighten up. But I want to ask you one question. Not say me nosy, oh Jesus. Me no nosy, me just always love eavesdrop and fast. Look at me. But me hear the man, when I have a look at something, when I have problem?
No.
So why you look, sir? You put out here. Stress.
You sure you have a bungalow out the road?
No box, right?
I ain't a donut. No, but actually, you sure you have somebody in town? You have a looks to him now.
What no problem? No, really and truly. What no come here for? Fi mad me?
No.
But me here now.
No, what no come here for? Fi come in on my business?
Not really, no, but we here to backatation, yeah.
Yes.
We can't,
Me
you
no
know,
want no
cause.
backatation. Me alright.
You know, see, and
It's
grace.
okay.
You know, see, and
Hey,
grace.
hey. Know your voice.
Sorry.
At night.
Sorry.
Take time out.
So you can live in a residential area, fam. You live the good ghetto, you could have shop. Can't live in a residential.
When go back a country, go back in a bush when people nice. This is in the city. We not deal with Lord nice.
Yeah.
And we talk proper English.
So that's why we keep it one more week.
So I also.
Lower your voice. I'm not keeping that even for one more night.
Especially.
Especially you a liar. And you so turn thief.
I feel like you. Have I ever lied to you?
You know, somebody knows you do something fishy. When they tell me about the
We
food.
don't remember something like life is serious. We don't like serious.
Anyways,
Come on,
this
man.
all good. We shall go
Yeah,
catching the
nice
setting.
Yeah. As the coffee in jars.
I hope any my boss you back in a call me.
What me a call on the phone? As what? Bodyguard, security?
Yeah, you're that glad feet,
Police.
you know. You're that glad feet. You're just
Hello,
a show
as a matter
off.
of fact, it want to come here. Come here.
A joke, you know.
Hello?
You know, see how
Hello?
a joke, you know.
Hello, it want to come here.
A joke, you know.
Come here, me they call you no one talk about joke. Go wash on the plate now, me there food no.
We are guests.
Me no business,
We
go
are
no one
visitors.
Not serious. Too far.
Let me go in my room and come back out here and then my plate and I wash.
See you serious? I say this serious. Alright. The food tastes bad. Last time I not eat, yeah, come eat back. And the food never tastes so wonderful. You know,
Be hungry, idiot. Be hungry.
you ever hungry or
Me
your
never
belly
have
is
nothing. Me never have nothing. Eh? Why what you want with you? You want me to go about give a sushi food and then look at what so,
No, you know what I said at the pot. May they check if you want wash or something in there. Okay. We never did going to thief anything. Any thief fishy. Any thief fishy. I was me not have butterfinger. Me
From
not
that right there, son, yeah.
bleach?
Yeah.
No.
Oh, okay, bleach.
This a flower.
What do you think of
A flower this.
Grasses. I hear you. No? What you say? I'll repeat.
But me I tell her so if we looking at ourselves.
Looking on yourself for what?
Because
Get
you understand. We come together as one and
I can't wait for daylight out for no come out type people in the place.
some of them I think a fair place or people place now.
As daylight out want to no go in the yard.
We
Me not
go
even
home.
want to wake up on soon. Me not even want to see.
I wonder if I
A bit
remember the
Friday.
days when the man used to bust your back. Remember who you used to call? Me and the dwarf. You remember that? I just have a strong feeling. So that man a bust your back too. I hear the idea.
Fire son.
We can take so long to come pick up the plate then. I want to. You have slack off?
No, sorry, brother.
Oh. What? Hey, why you doing that? Want to?
Relax now, this time.
Mm-hmm.
You have next for my heart, bro?
Jesus. What can I really make you feel like me? A man like me now have next woman out the road.
No, because my niece them as I have. Bangala in a back shop.
What?
Bangala in a donut.
Me?
Something.
What that supposed to even mean? Rubbish them come with that and something. Let me tell you something, don't mix me. I'm not that kind of person. And you know that already. Your niece them a devil them. What do you mean someone say so? Yes, they can't stand to it. They can't stand to it, not even for a minute. You see it?
Anyway, your man is question.
Jesus. Ask the question.
You ever been abusive before in a relationship?
What do you mean abusive? Like,
Beat woman.
me? This man? Let me tell you something. Why is it that when a man is of principle, a woman feels say, a man will, no, I am not that kind of person, I don't beat you. You understand what I say? Me just a principle person. So when you come say, if ever beat, me know about your situation, say, your last relationship, then butter bruise you and all them something there. But me not judge you from that perspective. Me see you, I love you, I want you in my life. Who is it that you go hold a woman and beat him and then later on you try to, rub him down and sitting? Me not handsome, I grow good. My mama grow me good. You understand me I say? Respect woman. Because if you give them respect, then multiply times 10. As a woman stay. Look upon you. It's just that me can't take certain things. I'm a no-nonsense person.
I know that. So why are you raising
I didn't raise my voice, I just talk a little bit up. Alright, well, anything else?
No.
Right now, when you just go and wash up yourself and bring yourself come in. More like loving right now, man.
Rest by yours.
Rest what? Me say me want a little loving. Please and thanks. Go and go get yourself ready. Awa. You stop give me it?
No.
Me have you beg so much?
No.
Awa, I call me a call?
Yeah.
I couldn't walk call you time.
I'm a sister.
Your sister call you?
Yes.
Hold on. Who call you this late in the night time?
My sister called me.
And your sister?
Jesus.
I don't know what kind of sister they say I call you so late.
Hello.
The person not talk no show.
Hello.
Yeah, judge me. Let me see what I go on.
I'm a sister.
Call your sister back. You see if your sister is Pinky. Call her back. Come on, say that, that is the reason why you come judge me.
Me not judge you.
You know, say Bible never wrong. The Bible always say, so a man think it in his heart, so is he. Call back your sister. Yeah, put it on speaker and call her back. And why the phone not ring now? And she just called her a while ago.
A straight call, she called me for
Hello, who is this? Who is this? What? Hold on there. Hello. Why you calling me lady so late night? What do you mean for to me? Ma'am, you calling me woman late at night. I don't want to call her. Because for some reason I feel like say this phone call, the man just give the phone and make you actually talk now and talk about party and something there. What kind of party? I don't understand this. Who are you? Because you come act like say you come introduce party and something there. So late at night time, I know it's a man give you this phone to talk. What do you mean you talking to like that? Are you me talking to like that? I love you, love. Oh, who this person?
I'm a sister.
We mean sister. All these months, me don't know this as sister, yeah.
She there foreign. That's why.
She there is foreign. No worry yourself, because I go mark your voice. True. Yo, hello, come on for the phone. these are dirty people you have to talk to you. It's only 8 at night. I thought we were going to send money to you. So you take money from people?
Hello. If my sister send me money, I have to take it.
This is not the sister. And you know send your sister that. But all is well. Go and plug your plate. Go and plug your plate. I don't want you to one no loving. Go and plug your plate. Me good man. Me good everything alright. Me lucky. You see me say come a big bad and bold, not true. Big bad wolf. Puff and blow your house down. Alright? Let's see who. I'm a pig. I must treat like a pig this. I'm a piglet. Alright? Watch what I want.
So, I'm going to bed on game just upset. You say you want to KFC? You have money?
No.
You don't have money either.
You know, so we can't put this on the table. I'm good bed to sleep. You come like you're
You know,
idiot.
so I think you're a fool. But you have a little bit of sense,
Tell
man.
you to believe
You're
in
grew.
me. I tell you to believe in me. Come. Take your time. No, kid, that one to come.
Yeah, sure.
What's wrong with you? Come,
Just have to move.
Shh. Hurry before you come and come see me. Move by me now. You idiot. You push them too far. You fool. Oi. I beg a part me want.
Hello.
Listen. Me fat.
You don't see how I'm fat.
What make you do that? 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 Get up.
Just start it, you know.
Come.
Just start it.
Wait there. You wake up your baby. You want to see me fatter than you. Stop.
Alright, don't know.
You want the party?
Fine, take it.
Good night, yeah? Yeah.
Yeah, good night.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm not going to do this. I rather sleep out the door in the rain.
Morning. Then gone?
Kinda.
What do you mean, say kinda?
We're in a farm.
So, umbrella they both. You not tell them say you have umbrella.
Yeah, me tell them.
So what?
But one of them have asthma. They're so gone. Just wait till the rain ease up. Look at me.
It's crazy, man. Me think I get up. Me think I dream say them in there. I have to get up and know say a reality say them there. Hey, I don't normal picnic them that, you know. Them not easy, you know, and they not give ears a break, you know.
No.
And as them come tell you foolishness about if me I bet you them tell us if me abuse you. Eh? Or assess this answer that.
Yes, they say that. And what if they say that?
Yeah, but at them I bring bad vibes, bad energy, more than if come out. That me I say.
They're so gone.
Yeah, more than to go like no. Go and check back on them and see what go on.
Why you abuse her?
What mean when I abuse so?
You tell you call me.
But
what?
me you keep shuffling. Is that right? Go on. Go on to her.
Yeah, pass shuffling. They not pack them back.
Yeah, man, go on. They might have pack up things for, and thief stuff. And when later on, later they go find out it. They not thief nothing. You know them?
Of course, we know them.
Alright, go on. She a call her. So much she call again. Call it. Vice and 9.
Life and see me asleep. That's why I like sleep at people place, you know.
Hello, miss. Get up.
We are asleep.
Just pick up on your bag and come go through the door.
But man, you know just slide. We are running so quick.
No. Wake up.
You know, so you never really have to stay like this.
Stay home.
What rain still a fall out the door, you know?
Oh, that not fit me an umbrella.
See how I'm sick?
No, you're not sit nothing.
Remember some of bones them weeble, you know? A weeble, feeble. Where that the word that evil, you know? See how make me sick? And you know she have asthma.
I'm hungry.
Me tell her for beard, see that? Me tell her for beard, I know you never beard.
Anyways.
Me
Will
know
I
say
go watch the rain? As the rain done, you know have to go away.
me know say the man I convince you to run away now.
Listen.
I'm in a
You know,
place
say,
one
you know, say, me think we need change, but I'm just low down, vulgar. What am I to know?
What you mean?
You know, say I want quiet here and come in there. You know, I'm going to call me get last night, but over there.
And the man take it up, the man.
Babe, you know you're a phone.
And what you mean say you think we change? You say we change our clothes. You blind?
How my attitude change?
You know what? Come and left our place. You must have faced your place a place. Just set you uncomfortable like a one.
No.
You your husband a call. Go on in here, I call you. Go on, man.
Alright.
Go on.
Come.
Don't want to come back. Hey, Jody, hey. How this come down? What? Wait! This guy went on the back. Hey, come on up. This guy went on the back. This. Go ahead, with this now. Come on, put it on my bag. Come now. You really want to take this and you want to fix it on. Watch. We can't let her take nothing. Wait. We can't take this, yeah. Because we never seen nothing like this before, you know. This look lookable.
Can't try to be boyfriend.
And that with you now. So me go,
Mark, I.
That word then, let me see. Oh, you put it right back. What? My backside. What? I'll tell you here. Shit, you're a nice girl. You're a long time cooking up. No. You see why you not good for tea sometime. Lord. Yeah, auntie, say we are going. What? Auntie? What about auntie? Auntie say we are going. But wait, I'm not talking about that. You know what? Go see TV. Come on. It's alright, guess what? What? You go on. You tell him say you get a call and you have to make a move with Tappy Drive. Sensible. Can go see this in your bag. I don't fear about that in a girlie. The government. This girl go put me in a problem now. Auntie! But can you answer me? Why you not like me? Anyways, I'm not touch on that now. I leave in now.
That's a good thing, but where Jody dey?
She gotta catch taxi. Cause we not really want to get stuck again, so I said I go catch a taxi.
You tell me say you're going.
Yeah, we leaving.
Alright, just make sure it's a safe travel go, man. So
You still now we stay one more night?
and I say, I don't want to stay, but just understand the situation.
What kind of situation? I know the man they are beating and I know I have a man on the road. I know I have a man on the road.
Why you gone for that again? You don't know nothing about me, man. So you can't talk bad or say certain things about him. You understand?
I hear you. Yeah, alright, still calm me down. Fine already.
What do you mean by that?
Look at see, it's alright. Take care of yourself.
Take care of yourself. Too.
Thank you.
Anything when you look for, you go and get you.
Me get you already. Take care.
Later.
What? And you rain still a fan, you know, so I'm not 2-3 like this. What is up?
One.
You just run with so. Later.
Bye.
love alone.
Alright. Yeah, I mean, my niece. You know. Okay. So where you go to? Oh, you want to take CXC? You gotta take it. Okay. Yeah, man. Me will help you pay your feet, man. Alright, my niece. Yeah, man. If you step onto there. Talk to her next time, cause if it's long down, I know when I come here, Alright, man. Alright. We talk here. We shall gather. Tengano?
Yes.
Jeez, I'm pretty much. Jeez, I'm happy. I feel like I'm a birthday. Eh? You have to take care of yourself from them 2 little girls. You understand me? I say? You have to find a way out to not make them feel like they can't eat. Because use them, you know. Because they don't have no bus, no broke down. And no one bus run per road. Which part in the world right now in a Jamaica a one bus run go up there if you broke down nothing else don't work?
Probably then they just want to
Lazy, then just want to come at your yard and take you for granted. I mean, I tell you. But anyhow, for me little niece, I know so she want for me help her with her CXC and things. So hopefully, I go get some money so I can help her pay for 2 or 3 subject them. You know, so. If you think I'm going to start out for you, I can't go by that date. So there's no say that get jokes. Take care of your future. Alright? Because you say you want to hear and sit and ready. That can't wait. Right? Hello? May I talk to you?
Yeah, I can't wait.
You can't wait? Alright, good. So.
But you always do this, though.
Do what? I never always do it. I mean, I always have CXC if you have me like a niece. What you talking about then? Always.
They good.
You good? I'm hungry. So you know good.
You hungry?
I'm very
Then
hungry.
go in my kitchen.
I say I didn't even know.
I feel tired.
You feel tired? Alright,
So
definitely.
just go
Make it
look for
time.
something.
Me take my time, struggle and go. But when the rain ease up, I'm gonna buy like a Burger King or like a KFC.
I want KFC too.
Me not, well, if you want it, you have to go take yourself and go buy it.
I don't always a cook and stuff for you. So why if... Why you so selfish?
Sure, I'm not
Me
selling
a
market.
talk to you.
Hello. Go and do it, I don't know, man. Me just glad to them two put nigga. That's a happy effort.
Why? You know, say nothing go answer. When few people then come over, me not behave so, you know. Answer them, me will and then go, you know.
That people, them are people are different people. Them. That's just you know. You have hooligan in a fear family.
Oh, so few people them are queen, king and
Queen of England, yes. Royalty.
Royalty.
Yeah, man.
I want royal box.
What you do? Eh?
No.
How you really do?
I mean, I gotta do.
Let me something I gotta do. Go on, where you go? Run me a run away. Go on, where you go? And left out that space. Why is Vanessa?
What happened to you? What happened to you? Where you go drink? And then me talk to you.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Public.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why are you doing that? You remember say threaten for box me this morning. Me need a box. You forget that?
So you still vexing me about
I'm not
that?
vexing. I go and cool out and no say just keep myself in one self place by myself.
I'm sorry about that.
You sorry about that?
Yeah.
But you know who drive you for do that?
Who's driving for
You don't have no idea who drive you for do that. Your two niece them.
Ah, Jesus, I can't. Suppose me never go by Kingston. Where would I do now?
Over money buy.
For we money.
Excuse me.
Come more and talk to you.
Talk to me for 1 hour. We don't do as much talking this morning and you are going like say boy, you want to make me out to be somebody that I am not. You want me to be aggressor. What you have to say?
I feel like we need to go to our hotel, go chill out from home.
I don't say no, you know. But you see the expenses and the bills and the set them all kick in. No money not there right now. I can't afford that right now. You answer me I say?
I mean you tell that?
Well, if you feel
Alright. You know no money and this and that. What if me pay fees for you just go to have fun and stuff?
where fear money come from? Are you a fear money like fear money or a money what me give you? So if you pay fees and still me a pay fees, We can't afford that right now. And then me think we need to restore and level in this relationship where you understand yourself and know what is what. And not listen to where your little niece I tell you say about what they think and all them something there. You know so them a thief. Them a thief, you know. But you no see it because you're blinded to the facts that your family them. And them things are gonna make me get turned off. Look for me, I go drink in a daylight, me a drink. You ever see that? When last you see that?
Today.
Today, exactly. You're right. I'm going to say to you right now, you need to know yourself.
Me know myself.
I think you know yourself. Look at the mirror and ask yourself, how would that?
Listen, from my niece then coming last night, you're the by your high horse.
Yeah, because
like you always want me, you're at it. Me sick and tired of it now. You met we go to the hotel or not?
Even phone I ring that. I am saying to you, not now. Simple as
So
that.
when?
Me go answer my phone. My phone is ringing. I don't know
When?
if it's business. I don't know when, but not today, not tomorrow, maybe month 10. Alright?
Me a talk to you.
What's the matter with you? My phone I ring.
Anybody I can wait?
Get the door, me get the phone.
Seriously? Who is it? Oh Jesus.
Girlie, you don't know what happened, you know?
What happened?
Jesus God, Jody.
What did Jody?
Mama, me tell her she ain't gonna drive. But you me tell her what happened. Me never did want to tell her, you know. Because I'm busy. Me can't come in.
For what?
No matter the foolishness, man. You know, see where I found out so.
Where you see when I found out? I think you can treat me like last night. Come.
Yeah, what's the time, man? Jody. You have one boyfriend I'm talk to?
So what's wrong with boyfriend?
Yeah, but me tell her
You're not a big woman.
Yeah, but I'm not even that, you know.
What?
Don't wait now. This is what she saw. See when I catch me for come out, you blasted out. So you see me come out already. I'll do me come back. But you get me, I say. But
I don't get what you say.
Our boyfriend, he will have a money for his boyfriend, right? But she know Jody for a long time. Always a gamble. Yes, she don't stop. She don't gamble and she gamble out the last time money. I say, Jody, don't gamble out the money because you know your man a madman. And now me hear say the man say no I drive come for him because I would go to where I don't see him. And me know the man say no drive for him. And the man go beat him, you know, because he always a beat him like a fear man a beat you even though you're hiding.
What?
No, you're not getting me. I say, wait now, minute. Jody,
a joke can't make her serious.
Jody, not a problem for you. Oh. Your man a bad man.
My man a what? My man a what?
Jody need help.
So how me can help Jody?
So how me a go home, so me have to go stay one more night.
No, Jesus, no. So how me can help Jody now?
Come with me on the road.
Me afraid?
No,
we can't come with the road and then go upon me and left you.
Remember see your back big, look on my back, girl, look now.
That's why them all left you and carry me.
You're gonna fight them for me, just stand up
Listen,
behind your son, but say, hey, you don't understand?
Listen, turn up right there, son. Turn up right there, son. Take time with your voice. The man around there, son.
You always tell me about the picture.
Where
they be, where say?
Where say?
Nothing, just, come on.
Where say Jody there again?
Come on, I'm more with her, see then go get you with her.
Me not go out there, call her on your phone.
No, go phone, my man take it.
Oh, Jesus, and what kind of man you have? They don't know a chat about my man a beat me and a phone man a beat you know.
But I like when we see you live where you live too.
Huh?
Please, no. No, me nice. I mean, me nice. I make your man come around here, you know. Just for sure.
Hey.
Sir, please don't take me because I'm going to help me.
Let go for me.
Jesus God. You know, some of them like me long time.
What means that if you know something like a long time?
Yesterday, Wednesday, that day, them say me come and me go see you never did even want to touch me.
You know why? Because you know broke my bed for Christmas last year. I have to spend 55,000 pound base, 75,000 pound mattress.
Me?
Yes.
I first never come here than I you see me. You never see me from me barn yet. Please don't sorry, I dropped me a man. Sorry, we can't give up on the bonus.
You know what?
I'm a family them, I'm a happy help them.
So what that mean?
Me I go help me
You
cousin.
can't go like that. So what happened basically? You said help them to do what? Because she said help me sir, like me no know what you
Because
help me
then take away Jody.
for. You next to go on?
Yes.
Please. I'm not going to come back in your yard to help you.
So what are you taking me for?
My boyfriend should take away the money and gamble it
Oh, take away the money. And gamble it up. Oh, so basically the thief in a go on.
Come on.
Alright. Relax. Let me get my tool and come. I come.
So run now?
Run home for run.
Relax.
You can't wait, dirty man.
A good man. He's a good man.
He might beat you.
No.
He might beat
He
you.
not beat me.
Look why Ronnie and Nick Ronnie.
Icky.
So I know Icky. Not because I never get it from my band, but I know Icky.
He never beat me yet. And me half of the maximum
No,
I
yes,
faced
if you
today.
go confess to it.
Confess to no so what? Say I take good care of me.
Alright, ready.
Thank you. We can go take up some.
No. Straight through the door. Straight through the door. Come on, no, you take so long to put on one little slippers.
To subscribe is free.
Alright then. Thank you. You've made it to the end. Yes. Alright then. Thank you for the time that you spent. Hey! Yeah man, so guess what? Uno watch the movie to the entirety. So guess what? I highly appreciate Uno for there so. So guess what? Do the right thing. Share it, send it out, tell them so they enjoy the movie and tell them it's a public report movie. Yo, Uno have to watch it. Right? So let me know if you do episode 2. Because guess what? It's always up to you.
You subscribe yet.